Hey guys, welcome back to Wonderful Angel. It's me, Angelina Fella. And today I want to vlog to Berastagi because me and my mom are going there with my mom friends. So yeah, see you guys there. It's raining. Pelan. Hey guys, so right now we are going to have our lunch first because it is lunchtime already and we are so hungry. Because it is already 1 o'clock, so let's go.
Sana.
So we were having our lunch at Sehati Berastagi. It is Indonesian food restaurant. And the unique thing about this restaurant is we don't have to pay all the food that is served. We only have to pay the food that we chose to eat.
But there's nothing I can do. I can never get to you. So I'm looking for a miracle. Like it's somebody to be so beautiful, yeah. It's only a dream. It's how I feel. That you deserve better than me.
So actually I don't want to use my hand to eat, but I need my hand to peel the chicken, and eating using hand is one of Indonesian culture, I can say. And trust me, if you eat at this kind of restaurant, it tastes more delicious and better if you eat with your hand.
So I'm looking for a miracle. Like it's somebody to be so beautiful, yeah. It's only a dream. It's how I feel. That you deserve better than me.
And finally, it's time to pay for our lunch, and my mom is the one who paid for our lunch, and very thanks to her. And after this, we are going to continue our journey. located at Berastagi, the mountain hill Berastagi, and right now we are having our coffee time. And I ordered green tea latte, as you guys can see. So yeah, let us enjoy our coffee time. After from Gundaling Farmstead, I went to this place called Full Hopper. I went here because I see one influencer went here and bought some drinks, so I decided to try it too because the place is very simple and cozy, so why not we give it a try. So while waiting for my drinks done, I decided to go upstairs and take some pictures. And you can see the pictures on my Instagram feed. So I decided to try red velvet drink and it tastes so good. Not gonna lie, I thought the taste is just fine, but turns out so good, trust me. After from Full Hopper, we decided to go back home. While we are on our way home, we stopped by to have dinner, and we were eating our dinner at Gonjang Korean restaurant because the owner is my mom's friend, and that day is the grand opening of the restaurant, so we are invited. Back home, my package from Scintilla Beauty has arrived, so I decided to unbox it and try it on. So I bought press-on nails from Scintilla Beauty because I really want to try press-on nails, and turns out their press-on nails are pretty good, and I am going to put the shop link down on the description box below. So in every purchase, you will get press-on nails, buffer, tape glue, liquid glue, cuticles pusher, and alcohol wipes. And what I like about this shop is you can custom any design you want, and the price is very affordable too.
We've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through my skin. All the pills we take have seemed to prolong our existence, but I don't feel alright. I would rather be alone than have you. Every time I speak I feel myself fall. Do you wish to find the truth in my lies? Sorry darling, there's no truth here, no. It's just the two of us, my dear. Listen to me, don't you hear? I only fell for you. I only fell for you, baby. Though you let them see your fear, promise not to shed a tear. I only fell for you. I only fell for you, baby.
vibrations.
And there you go. This is the final result. It is very pretty, I know, and you guys should try it too. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.
Stipends got me solemn. With 2 weeks and $150, well, I guess I'll get a job.